number 23 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. Chuakuko. Pass again to jersey number 23. Lagaras to Ras. Kaplas naman jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 again out of jersey number 1. Receive time out to the jersey number 8 ulit. 15 seconds to shoot. Tingin lang to Ras. No good. Very well jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number. Pass to jersey number. Sino na ko jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Tumira na good. Again jersey number 8 again. Jersey number 8 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 27 again. Pass to jersey number 24. Timeout to Roca. Remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds to lead. Score 2 natin 17-11. Lamang ang Roca. Bench po ng Roca, technical for bench to follow. Warning. That's a broken line 20 our first quarter for this match between Irapuato and Roca. Jersey number 24, Chulakuko dribbling the ball. Jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 10, no good. Exactly 1 minute to play. Jersey number 28, Santana dribbling the ball. Tumira, no good. Very good jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, hawak pa rin ang bola pass to jersey number 24, Tumira. Jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6, 15 seconds shot down. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 12. Number 12, jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 24, no good. Then jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 24, Chulakuko. Jersey number 24, Tumira. Jersey number 8, dribbling the ball. 5 seconds, ball 3, no good. Now you're going to jersey number 7, Pedro Tumira, no good for him. End of our first quarter, score at 21. Loka, Roca.
Huwag lang mabilis. Yung ano lang, para hindi blur.
Lantang ina, vlogger! Nakakawit pala to.
Sa gitna.
Nakakawit pala to.
Shoutout po kayo rin. Hanapin na yung isa ko.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tabe Covered Court. It's a Salamis Laglagan, Game 2 between Roca and Irapuato. Score natin kakatapos ng first quarter is 21-13. 8-point lead by Roca. And nandito ang idol ko, si Chuakuko, Luis Chuakuko.
Idol! Idol ko daw.